Pumpkins in Arkansas are big business. Here we are, looking at a bunch of different varieties. The iconic fall pumpkin. Here about 30 minutes away from me and McGee Market in England, Arkansas, with an amazing family that's going to teach us a lot more about this goodie.
I'm Shannon Holman, and this is Arkansas Crop Technologies Pumpkins. We are pumpkin growers here in Central Arkansas, and we grow about 70 to 80 acres of pumpkins. We've been growing pumpkins for the last 15 years. So pretty much, the guys come out here, they learn where all the pumpkins are, because there's 20 different varieties. And so yes, they'll take a trailer, an open trailer or a trailer full of bins, and they'll go out and fulfill a customer's order and load it all up. They'll bring it back here, and either the customer will come pick it up here, or we will load it on our trailers and deliver it to them. A gourd and a pumpkin are in the same family, but they are two different species in the same family. So some of these are gourds and some of them are pumpkins. And then yes, you can eat any of them. So most of these pumpkins go to nurseries in Central Arkansas, or fruit stands, fruit markets, that kind of thing. Occasionally here and there's a few that fill in at pumpkin patches, and that keeps us busy.
Out here about 30 minutes from the market, give or take, a huge, huge field of pumpkins here with Shannon, and this is our seventh year?
Seventh year.
Seventh year to be
business.
working together. So wanted to come out and show everybody what we've got here and learn a lot more about these pumpkins. So this is really cool to me. I don't know why it didn't register, but it's not always orange.
No, it starts out green when it's young, and it stays green most of its growing years, and then it turns orange right as it matures.
And then it turns orange. So we've seen a few more out here that are green, and as it starts to turn, and that's really pretty and neat. But the dark green, I think that's gorgeous.
I do too. I like them that way.
All right, so these are just a jack, and y'all have got how many varieties out here?
We have about 20 varieties.
20 varieties.
All different colors, shapes, sizes.
There's some big old dudes out here.
Yeah, there are.
Big ones. We'll go look at those.
We will have to go look at those. There's some big ones.
So this is a family operation.
It is.
So who all's involved family-wise, and how'd y'all get started?
So my husband and I met a guy that had been planting a few, and he asked us to kind of come in with him at first and just kind of play around, and we did it on the side to raise money for our kids' college education. That is the whole reason this started.
So this is a college fund pumpkin
This
field.
is exactly the college fund, and it's still paying for college. It's actually come to fruition these last years because both of our kids are in college, so we're using it. And that's how we got started. It just grew from there. It was been a family thing all along. The kids were out here every summer helping us plant a lot of acres, and then they'd be in school during harvest. But it's been a family thing for the last 15 years.
A family thing. So a lot of people enjoy these, but there's plenty of work behind the scenes.
A lot. So. I think we could apply for 30th jobs.
30 jobs, there you go. Well, we're gonna keep looking around and learn a lot more about what's going on.
Great.
All right, so here we are with a really popular variety at the market. Tell us a little bit about this type.
This is called a New Moon. Everybody likes them. They're big, they're white, they're pretty. Occasionally they can turn a little grayish or a little pinkish, but they do really well.
I love that. All right, so another thing that preserving pumpkins, what can give us a little extra life with a pumpkin? Is there some tricks that you know that we can share?
I do. For one, you can always wash it. Washing it's good. Washing it with a part Clorox, part water mix is a really great idea.
Okay.
You're washing all the bacteria off that way. And then keeping it away from little critters. I mean, if you've got squirrels that come like to, or mice that come like to nibble at them, once you get a scratch or a cut in it, it's going to be a little, it's going to start declining.
Right.
But you can also spray them with shellac.
Okay.
Some people do that, and they kind of seal those little nicks and crannies and seal them, and sometimes that helps them last a little bit longer.
So basically, keep it dry, keep it clean.
And if you keep them out of the sun, they will also do better.
Yeah, especially after they've been cut and in that process, it's
and I'll
more
tell you
important.
what a lot of people do is they put them on hay bales, which looks really neat. But if it rains and those hay bales get really wet, and they're on a hay bale and it's kind of staying wet underneath
it. That's the
not a
perfect
good thing
environment
for
for bacteria and fungus to grow.
It is,
So,
yeah.
all right.
Yeah. So
Clean and dry.
Clean and dry.
Clean and dry. I think the pumpkin variety that gets the most notice is the prize winner. I think Rowan's picked out a really good one for us to go look at.
All right, let's go check it out.
All right, Shannon, what has my little man found?
That's called a prize winner, and it's perfect for taking pictures on.
Yes. Rowan, are you having fun, buddy? Hi.
He's just the right size.
It is. It fits. Well, let's not eat the leaf.
He likes leaves.
He loves leaves. This is what I was talking about. This is family. You get to come out and experience things together. That's what life's all about.
It is. It is. And we appreciate y'all. Neva's been a great customer for a long time now.
Well, and you feel more like family now.
Yeah,
moving
absolutely.
Into the years.
Absolutely.
Love what we do. As we wrap this up, we're about to get the trucks and trailers loaded up, and the market is going to have all of these gorgeous pumpkins ready for you to come out and check them out and take them home to decorate your place.